What's going on, guys? Steve Sam here with Beyond the Build, and today is day 3 of hashtag Road to SEMA. We're going to continue sanding the interior parts to get Sally ready for SEMA. Shout out to our 2 sponsors, Color Bond and 742 Marketing, for making this happen. Let's get to it. Alright guys, I'm going to be starting off by taking off these pieces right here. We're going to be retouching these black with the Color Bond black paint. So it's the battery cover and the brake fluid cover and the cowl for the windshield wipers. So let's get started on that one. Alright guys, we're going to do the prep cleaner, sand it, and paint it. So let's get to it. The adhesion promoter has been added on. Now we're going to hit it with the trim color, black. All right. Alright guys, we're all done painting the interior parts, and let's check it out. Let's get a closer look at this beautiful paint and see how perfect it looks. Wow, look at that. That is perfection. Looks brand new. Color Bond paint, you guys have really made a perfect product. Look at these parts, they are brand new. Wow, it looks great. Alright guys, check it out. Bam! Team no seats. Let's go ahead and move Sally real quick. There she is. Dusty. That's okay, we'll get it cleaned up. All taken apart. Road to SEMA, man. Let's do it. Alright, so this is our climate controls. I'm going to go ahead and lightly sand this, tape up the center consoles, use the Color Bond adhesion promoter and black to go ahead and give this a nice black color on the outside. Alright, so let's get to it. Alright guys, that's gonna do it for today. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for new videos. We'll see you guys at the next one. Peace.